Okay, here comes Corey and the dogs coming down the mountain. A lot faster than going up. A lot faster. Woo! Oh, isn't that awesome?
Great.
Good times. Poor Kiwi. Kiwi, come on.
You guys are an inspiration to us. I was going to walk down, but no, that was fun.
Come on, Kiwi. There you go. Come on. Come on, girl. You got it. Come on, Keister. Come on. You got it. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Just go. Just go. There you go. Good girl. Come on.
Kiwi has a cute little waddle. It's from the backpack.
Come on, girl. You got it. Oh, just sit down and slide. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You got it. Good girl. Look at you. Good girl. Yes. Yes. I got some treats for you. Good girl.